Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest lawn health quick tip. And today I wanted to talk with you about fescue grass and how to install it. Fescue is a good alternative if you have heavy shade. And for instance, this area earlier, a few years ago, was completely bare dirt, and it just got no sunlight. We have these tall ligustrums back here. We have this tree, so there's virtually no sunlight through most of the year getting back in here. So a good alternative is fescue seed, and the way you do that, you really don't have to prepare the soil. You just need to go to one of your local nurseries and get a nice blend. I wouldn't go to like a Home Depot. Make sure it's someplace local that has a good mix. What you're going to want is a blend of dwarf fescue grass, and all you have to do is where that bare dirt is, just broadcast it, throw it out like you might see chicken seed thrown out. Just put it out. Do that in October, and then again, if you want to, you can try it again in February. It's really the October planting that's the most important to do, because it's a cool season plant and you want to get its roots established before the heat of the summer. So you put the seed out and then you water it, and the most important thing to remember on that is that the root system is going to be very shallow at quarter of an inch or so as it starts to germinate. And so what you want to do is to do short bursts with the sprinklers, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and you might do that a couple times a day, maybe in the morning or the evening, because you want the ground to be damp and stay damp for a while the seed is germinating. When you do that, then you'll see this come back out. You can do a light dose of fertilizer. I would do a root stimulating fertilizer. The one we would use is one called 1846-0. So you can use that, and that will help this get established. And then in the summertime, you are going to lose some of it. And then each year, for at least 2, 3, maybe 4 years, keep doing this, and that'll gradually fill in the gaps. You can see this is a nice thick stand. And so it is possible to have a good thick stand, but it's a test of patience. It's not sod. It takes a while to get it to fill in and look nice. This is 3 years of this each October that they've done this, but over time it's a good look. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.